So for the voice cloning, what we are doing, we are using a new software called as Pinokio. This is a one-click solution for running AI applications on your local system. So this is what I am doing. I want to do a voice cloning application for my whatever I say. I have my recording and I generate a lot of podcasts. So I want to use this solution in-house. I don't want to use any paid solution for this. So I am installing this on my local and trying to playing it out. So in Pinokio, there are a lot of softwares that you can download in a without much of headache. We have this E245 TTS, even automatic 11 for stable diffusion, which takes most of the time. So for doing this, we have 9 steps that we need to do. First, we need to install Conda, then installing Git. So some of these things might be already there in your system, but this is combining everything together, running all the dependencies and installing E2455 with the Gradio setup in your local environment. And this is something very interesting. As you can see, the Git is getting installed, and you don't need to run the code to the environment and do everything again and again. Once the Git is installed, you will see the notification pop up, the verification is getting done, and then the cloning will happen, then installing the zip. So now we are getting, if you can see, we are getting the file. We are installing the zip to unzip the specific file that is they're going to come from the TTS F5 application. So this is very amazing thing that you can try to do. Then it is looking at the environment, if you can see all the details. Then the last thing is we require Node.js FFmpeg. This is required for running any application architecture, like even for Flowwise. This is required, Node4.js Flowwise. And I'm not talking about Flowwise. I was looking at specific Flowwise. If you want to explore Flowwise, I'm sure they might also have this. They don't have Flowwise, but they have Open Web UI. They have other specific software that are there. Flowwise should also be there. Let me just Flowwise Pinoo. Yes, Pinokio. So it is now doing the Visual Studio. I don't think it is available in Pinokio. If you want to see what is available in Pinokio, you can go here and discover, explore. Everything is here. So there, most of the used softwares are here. Now let us see. They are using Visual Studio Build. So they are installing this for running this package 1.78 gigahertz. Let me see how much space I have on my system, which is very important. So the fifth thing is installing VS building tools to run this application. And so let us see if it is running fine. Coming to still I have space, so it's fine. So this is, we will just pause for. So once the VS is installed, it took some time. Then we are installing CUDA. CUDA is the last thing that we require for running this specific package, so it is taking a lot of time, but you don't need to do these steps yourself. It is creating the whole step-by-step environment inside the Pinokio. And if you don't want to use this software, you can uninstall everything as well. So this is done. Installing Kudio, it is going to take some time, then we will come back. So almost everything is done. The initial setup will take time, then you can run this locally. This is a good thing, because the same thing, if you want to run in Hugging Face, it may take some time. Now installing the most important thing, git clone github Pinokio python py, and then it is installing all the requirement for running this. If you can see, fast API and Pydantic, all the Python packages that it used, it downloading it. And the last is Cloudflared. Cloudflared is where this is going to specifically run. So download is completed. So install not okay. Cloudflare installed. So there are some issues that are there. So let us try again. So it is trying to do git again. So sometimes it takes problem. Once the dependencies are installed, then I am just running the TTS on Pinokio. Step by step, if you see everything they're installing. It is downloading all the dependencies. If you can see, it is taking some time. PyTorch is used a lot in this. So the last thing is happening. Now everything is installed. Now the final pip install of the requirement file that is there. If you want to view the file, you can just click. But I don't think we need to do that. It's fine. Let it run. The first time installation takes time, after that becomes fast. After 10 minutes of running, we have this E245-TTS instance on our local machine. And what we are doing is we are asking a specific question. With lot of opportunities. So everything is happening, the inference is happening, the information is happening, it is running on my local system. Dubai is an amazing city with lot of opportunities. Spelling of opportunities with lot of opportunities. So whatever I'm saying here, it is giving me that specific answer. And this is running on my local Pinokio system. This is my tab. I can change a few things. Science. Dubai is an amazing city with a lot of opportunities. Open web UI. This is the web UI working. This is the terminal. This is running here. Ever wondered how your neural network? This is my video, and this is my science. Dubai is an amazing city with a lot of opportunities. Advanced setting, you can remove silence, you can play around with this as well, and let us stop this. Now let me stop this, let me close this. This is my E running. I can just click start. It is starting, it is loading everything. So the first time it took time, but then the second time it may not take so much time. What we can do is, from my voice, the newsletter that I have created a newsletter. So let me see whether I can take that newsletter and create an audio podcast of my newsletter. So it is loading now. It's fast. So this is fast. This is on your local system. This is on your, everything is in your local. You don't have to take anything that is there. Files. These are the files that are there of this. Your notebook, Python environment, your JS notebook. Everything is configured here, and this is running on my local. Now if I want to share this, run as a public node. So if you want to run this as a public node, what we can do is, this will share your this will let you share your local Pinokio app to public internet, which anyone with a URL can access, powered by Cloudflare tunnel. You can manually configure. So this is something that we can do. No password. You go here, run, save. So what is mentioned here, share. You can manually configure this, set Pinokio share Cloudflare to true. So true, yeah, now it is true, save, updated. Now let me stop again, start again. So this should also be running in my cloud notebook.